come to question number 10. Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle. From the external point, we can take an external point A. From here, we're going to draw two tangents to the circle. We'll be drawing the first tangent. This one tangent. From the point, external point, we can draw another tangent. So the two tangents are drawn. One tangent is say AB, another is become AC. What is going that? The angle between the two tangents. The two tangents between this angle. Angle between the two tangents. The tangent is drawn from an external point. From the external point AB, AC, two tangents are drawn to the circle. This angle is supplementary. Supplementary means sum of two angles 180. This angle is supplementary to the angle. Which angle? The angle subtended is made. Subtended is made by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. This is called points of contact. This is center. If you join the points of contact and center, you will get another angle. This one angle. This become another angle. The points of contact to the center. Now here is formed another angle. The two angles are supplementary. We record to prove that these two angles together is 180. Okay. We take now. Let AB and AC are tangents from A to the circle O. Now what we record to prove? Okay, to prove, we record to prove that angle BAC plus this angle is called BOC. Angle BOC together must be 180. We want supplementary angles. The two angles together is supplementary, right? Let's say 180. Okay, let's see the proof. See that this angle is become 90 since radius perpendicular tangent. This angle is 90, radius 90 plus 90, 180. But a quadrilateral, all the angle together 360, it is 180. This must be remaining 180. Okay, let's come to the first point. Angle ABO equal to 90 degree. The reason is that radius perpendicular to tangent. Okay, this OP is perpendicular to AB. So angle ACO also same reason is equal to 90 degree. Same reason, radius perpendicular to tangent. Okay, right. In quadrilateral, see which quadrilateral? ABOC. ABOC is a quadrilateral, right? In the quadrilateral ABOC, the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is become how much degree? The sum of all the angles, of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. If you add this all the angle together become 360. So we'll add this one. First this BAC, that is angle BAC plus one angle is BAC. This angle is called BOC plus one angle is BOC plus another angle is become ABO. You write any order, another become ACO. All together must be 360 degree. Got it? Yes. Okay. Angle BAC we don't know. Angle BOC also is not given. BAC we don't know and BOC we don't know, but remaining we know. It is become 90 plus 90. All together must be 360 degree. So that means angle PAC plus angle POC together must be 360. 90 plus 90, 180. Transfer to other side, minus 180. 360 minus 180. 180 degree. So 360 minus 180, it is become 180 angle BAC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. It is proved. I hope it's simple idea. It is 90, it is 90. So but this all the four angle together become 360. So we'll be getting the BAC and BOC will be getting easily. Okay, let's continue the next question.